Alhamdulillah, I have got another silver play button from YouTube. That means right now I have two silver play buttons on my hand. This is the first one and this is the second one. So that's why at first I am really grateful to Allah, and secondly I would like to say to thanks all subscribers because you supported me, you subscribed me. That's why right now I have two silver play buttons on my hand. Although already I have uploaded the first one's video on my channel. If you want to watch that, you can watch. So today in this video I am going to show you two silver play buttons unboxing video together. So let's enjoy the unboxing video. But remember one thing, keep supporting me and don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting new videos. So let's get started. Welcome back. These are my two silver play button boxes which I got from two different channels, and this came from the USA. Now I am going to unbox these boxes, so let's see. Alright, after opening the boxes, I got two certificates from the CEO of YouTube. What you can see here, YouTube CEO congratulated me. If you want, you can read it. However, again I am thankful to you all, and thank you YouTube for giving me these awards. Today I am so happy to get these awards. It will motivate me to make more videos for you. So for getting new videos, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.